Good morning. Today is already May. It's actually May 4th, Monday, May 4th. So we're going to do our word work. Here we go. I'm going to say it. You repeat it. Give me a thumbs up if it rhymes, thumbs down if it doesn't rhyme. 3 he. 3 he rhyme that ends the same. Good job. Blind find. Thumbs up, that rhymes. See, no. Nope, doesn't rhyme. Mice, dice. Yep, mice, dice, end the same. Good job. Grow, two. Nope, grow and two don't rhyme. Okay, onset fluency. I'll say it, you repeat it. This is the beginning sound. Mess, more, Life, lion, bull. Talk, turn, t. Bus, box, but. Seam, sign, s. Okay, we're gonna blend our words together. Me first. Ice, mice. Ife, life. See. Ow, how. Run. Okay, we're going to do our middle sounds, our medial sounds. K, an, a. Your turn. Good. M, n, e. H, it, I. T, op, ah. N, t, Good. Okay, get your choppers out. Knife, ife. Your turn. Did, id. For, or. Jar, r. Now, ow. Okay, we're going to add our phonemes. Okay. We have the word at. Add h at the beginning to make h, at. Good. We have the word n. Add p at the beginning to make the word pen. We have the rhyme in. Add f at the beginning to make the word in, thin. Good. We have the rhyme up. Add t at the beginning to make the word top. We have the rhyme ut. Add cut at the beginning to make the word cup. Good. Okay, now we're going to delete part of the word. We have the word mad without what's left? This is getting harder. We have the word bell without but at the beginning. What's left? L. We have the word sit without s at the beginning. What's left? It. We have the word rock without at the beginning. What's left? Ock. We have the word fun without at the beginning. What's left? Un. Good. Okay. Our rhyme this week. I think you guys have heard this before. Repeat after me. 3 blind mice. 3 blind mice. Okay, that's all we have for today. I'll see you tomorrow.